Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. This will be the 10th video of this playlist, Chrome extension 1.1. In this video, I'll talk about how you can send message from popup.js to content or background script. Because in previous videos, let me open. Okay, send messages from content script to background script, then background script to content script. Now I think in last video I said I'll do something about that, this button on the popup. So let's do something about it. So in the popup.js you see the click function is running when you click the button. So you can't just do something in the website from popup, because you see document.body.style background color blue. This document is not the document of this I'm in Wikipedia right now. Let me close this. So this is not the same as document of this website. Okay, so if I click this, it will turn this into blue, the pop-up, not the whole stuff. So what we can do, we can send a message from pop-up to content script and do something in content script. So let me add a code. Wait, so this will be the code. Okay, so chrome.tabs.query active true, current window true. I explained all this stuff in previous video. So basically that means that you are just saying I want to send message to the tab opened right now. So you get that tab 0 ID and you send an request, you send an object. So this object contains one message that is turned blue. So I'll save this and go to content script and I'll receive this message here. So how you receive the message, you put a listener here. So chrome.runtime on message at listener. So you get a function and you get the message, sender and response. I don't need anything to do with sender and send response. I'll just console log the message. So let's see if it works. Okay, refresh, click me. Okay, turned it blue. I'll inspect. So I received a message. Now I said in previous video you can get the message and try some kind of if else statement to do something. So I'll check if message dot message equals to turn blue. Message is the object dot message. Maybe I'll just save it like request. So let me comment it out. So it will be request.message. So not that confusing, right? Request.message, and when you receive the message as turned blue, you will change the document color into blue. So this document is the HTML or document of that page. So let me refresh, close the inspect window and click me. The body turns blue. So this may be some other element, some div. So this is the body, so it turned blue. Okay, so you clicked something. Okay, so I redirect to some site. Okay, it will work here also. Okay, that's how you can have your UI in the pop-up and some buttons, some inputs and stuff, and you can click something there and you can make something happen here. So that's the whole thing. Now okay, now let's see how you can send a message from popup to background script. Maybe you have something in popup and you can make something in background script. So I'll add the same style, chrome.runtime.send message, just a message, and I'll add a listener here like this, chrome.runtime.onMessage console log request. So when you change something in background script, you have to reload, remove the extension and again reload it, because sometimes you change the code in the background script and it doesn't get changed here, some cache and something. So then okay, let me open the service worker. Yeah, I'm background script. So you click something here, the click me, and you should get a message. Where? Yeah, just a message. So that's how you can communicate between pop-up and background script. I showed you, I think, all combination of communication. You see the message content script to background script, then background to content. Now you can also send message from pop-up to your content script and pop-up to your background script. So that's it for this video, and I hope you got the messaging.